Okay, looking at our daily 5 factorising, day 19. Pause the video, have a go at the questions, and then watch to see what the answers are. For our first one, we're looking for a common factor. So we can take a negative 3 outside of x plus 2. When we have two terms that have a negative, try and take a negative out the front because that is a simpler version than just taking a 3 out and have a negative x take away 2 in the bracket. Looking at the second one, we're looking at those first two terms. They have a common factor of PQ. So then that would leave us with Q take P. And then looking at the second two terms, they have a common factor of 7 outside of Q take away P. So we can take that common bracket out, Q take away P, and put that at the front. And then in the second bracket, we'll go the PQ plus 7. Looking at this one here, we've got a difference of two squares, so we can write that as 2x all squared minus 3y all squared. So that's going to be x, 2x take 3y, and 2x plus 3y. Our third one is our monic quadratic. So we've got an a equals 1, b is negative 8, c is equal 16. Now you may recognise this as a perfect square. And so then you would know that that will be x take away 4 all squared. If you don't, following this process, you get the AC equals 16, b is equal to negative 8. What two numbers will multiply to give 16 but add to give negative 8? And you would then know that it was negative 4 and negative 4. Negative 4 times negative 4 will give you the 16. Negative 4 plus negative 4 will give you the negative 8. You would have written x minus 4, and then you can change that to that format. Last one we have our a equals 3, b equals 5, c equals negative 2. So our AC is equal to negative 6, our b is equal to 5. So two numbers that multiply to give negative 6 but add to give 5, we can use 6 and negative 1. Then we're going to replace our middle term with that and write 6t plus, take away 1, take away 2 there, take away t, 1t. Then looking at the first two terms, they have a common factor of 3t outside of t plus 2. And then looking here, we can take out the negative 1 outside of t plus 2. That means we can then grab that bracket, t plus 2, put that out the front, and 3t take away 1 goes in the second bracket.